Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll compare two popular trading apps, Webull and Robinhood. So, which one is better for you? And if you're looking to start investment and to switch platforms, stick around because we are comparing these two side by side. So, Robinhood is basically one of the popular app, which is basically it is one of the most popular trading app which is known and uh, the most important thing about this app is that it is commission free. So you can use this app and it's perfect for the beginners as it lets you trade stocks, it has options and cryptos with zero fees. And it also offers instant deposits and fractionless shares, making the investment accessible to everyone. So if you go on their websites, scroll down, they also have Google Play. You can download the app from there, or you can just simply log in on their website. Next, moving on to Webull. Webull is basically like Robinhood, but it's smarter. It is like more of an advanced cousin of your Robinhood, as it also offers commission-free trading, but it comes with technical charts, indicators, as you can see over here. There's extended trading hours, and if you love technical analysis and want more tools, Webull is surely your way to go app. So, which one should you choose? So, in my opinion, and this is my personal opinion, if you're new to investment and you want a simple, beginner friendly experience, go with Robinhood. But if you are a more serious trader who loves advanced tools and data, Webull is a better pick. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching it.